versus Nikesha Wheeler. Appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Eric Ladaz, P65354 on behalf of Plaintiff.
Good morning. And do we have any occupants of 19127 Pinehurst?
Yes.
What's your name, sir?
Emmanuel Quentin Wiley Pearson L.
Can you turn your video on so we can see you? If this is going to be a hearing, I need to see who's arguing. Now I can't even hear you because you're muted. Sir, unmute your device and turn your video on, please. Turn your video on, please. We're going to pass on this matter. Wait, I think he has his video. Are you unmuted? He keeps muting and unmuting. Oh, boy.
Okay, we're on. We're trying to figure out how to do the video.
All right, that's fine. What's your name again? Because I have Nikesha Wheeler.
Okay, I'm an occupant, Emmanuel Quentin Wiley Pearson L.
But this is a motion to set aside default judgment. And who signed the motion or who submitted the motion that says Nikesha Wheeler?
I did.
Well, then
I'm trying to get the video. No, Nikesha Wheeler. I'm trying to get the video. My video.
That's fine. If you can't get it, that's fine. I just need your name, Ms. Wheeler. Ms. Wheeler, you filed the motion to set aside default judgment, correct?
Yes.
All right. Make your argument.
I purchased this house back in December of 2020, and I wasn't understanding how it was being brought to court.
And when you say you purchased it, do you have a deed to the house?
Yes. All of my paperwork was sent in to the city because, we had to do everything by mail. I sent everything into the city. The house is registered in my name. The deed is in my name.
Okay, well, you didn't show up at the last hearing, and I'm not sure why you didn't show up. And the motion to set aside default judgment does require good cause for not showing up in a meritorious defense. So the court has heard what is arguably strongly a meritorious defense. Why didn't you show up?
I didn't receive anything to show up to court for. When I received the paper, it said somebody named, I don't know if they were saying they served somebody in the kitchen or their last name was Kitchener. Anything in the mail. I haven't received anything, none of my papers back from the city or anything. I'm not sure something's going on with the mail over there, but the mail carrier stated that she has been delivering my mail, but I haven't been receiving my mail.
The papers that you said you received, where did they come from?
I got that paper because I happened to be over at the house when the mail ran that particular day.
So did you receive documents that are labeled summons and complaint, giving you a time and date to appear in court?
No, that was the first paper. No, I didn't. I received the last paper in the mail because, like I said, I happened to be at the property during that time when the mail carrier was delivering mail. I received the mail from her hand.
Ma'am, I got it. I just asked you a question and then you went on. Counselor, the court still doesn't have a proof of service in the file. Was service ever effectuated?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a proof of service that was signed by process server Charles Kitchen on May 25th, 2021, stating that he had served the John Anderson at 19127 Pinehurst on May 19th, 2021 at 2 p.m., which was sent into the court and received. Your Honor reviewed it when we were in court on June 28th when entered a default judgment.
Okay, let me look and, I do have it. I'm sorry. Yeah, it does say personal service was served on John Anderson on May 19, 2021. Ma'am, does a John Anderson or did a John Anderson live at your house on May 19th?
No, ma'am. I don't even know no one named John Anderson.
All right. All right. In any event, the court is going to, the court is going to hear from plaintiff's counsel.
Your Honor, as you know, to set aside a default judgment, there has to be an affidavit of meritorious defense, and just the line saying I purchased this home in December of 2020 is not enough. There would have to be documentation along with that. However, Your Honor, if there is a title dispute to this property, Ms. Wheeler would have had to file a quiet title action in Wayne County Circuit Court, which would have the jurisdiction to determine title to property, not the 36th District Court. And by checking the Wayne County online register of actions or any court cases, I do not see anything filed in the Wayne County Circuit Court by Ms. Wheeler.
Did you check the Wayne County Register of Deeds to see if there was a deed filed by her?
I'm looking right now, Your Honor, that there does appear to be a deed granted by Emmanuel Wiley, who's also on the call.
Sir, I'm sorry. Mr. Wiley, we can't hear you. Your audio is choppy. If we can't hear you, then you're going to have to get to a room where we can hear you.
Can you hear me now?
I can. State your name again. Now I can't.
Wiley Pearson.
Mr. Wiley.
Emmanuel Quentin Wiley Pearson.
Mr. Wiley, your audio is choppy. It's breaking up.
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can. I don't know if it's going to break up, but.
Okay, I'm going to step outside the vehicle. If that would be better.
I don't know.
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Mr. Wiley, did you sell the property to Miss Wheeler?
Yeah. And I have here the notice of list pendants, attachment, and levy that was registered in the deeds on the 21st of October, which was yesterday. It was just additional security that we filed because the matters during the mailing of the deeds, there was a discrepancy it was a misunderstanding as to was the deed or the list pendants even recorded. So I just went ahead and put additional security up, put a payment and performance bond to repurchase the secured interest. And we have that on file. The notice of list pendants, attachment, and levy. We registered that in the deeds yesterday.
When did you purchase the property?
I have a special warranty deed, so I have a purchase money mortgage on file registered in the deeds office. It's just.
When did you purchase the property?
When did I purchase the property?
Yes. What year?
Back in 2012, I had a purchase money mortgage. So that's a special warranty deed that is under the UCC. And so the purchase of the property.
I don't understand what that means under the UCC.
When I quit claimed the deed to Miss Wheeler,
I'm asking about when you purchased the property before Miss Wheeler got involved. Do you recall who the grantor was of the property to you?
I purchased the property by way of performance and payment bond that was given to Miss Wheeler. So that's how we purchased it. I'm just a bond. I provided the equity, the bill and equity for the purchase to occur.
I have no idea what you're talking about. You know?
Your Honor, I'm looking at the register of deeds, and there are no deeds on file that is where Mr. Wiley's the grantee for this property.
That's what I thought.
It will come from a list pendant. By way of a list pendants, that will be an eminent domain procedure. And it's in the federal court. And
so you purchased the property under, give me a moment. I'm trying to think.
All right.
Give me a moment.
Okay.
Just a second. I'm going to take just a couple of seconds recess. Okay. So, is it Wilder?
Wiley Pearson.
Mr. Wiley. So, Mr. Wiley, are you a sovereign citizen?
Yes, I am.
Oh, so that's how the property was purchased. You didn't purchase it from any mortgage company or from any private grantor. You just went in and took over the property under some theory of eminent domain, right?
No,
Under
I
the
didn't.
theory
No,
that
I
you
didn't.
have a right as a sovereign citizen, correct?
Wrong. I took it over on the grounds of having a performance and payment bond. The sovereign citizen only came in as a consular court to issue the attachment and levy, which was done a few days ago.
Got it. Motion to set aside default judgment denied for good cause and a meritorious defense. Counsel, submit the order to the court no later than the end of the day today.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
And Your Honor, can I say
The
something?
motion is denied.
Can I say something?
You're
We
not
have
the party to who filed the motion, so no, you cannot.
Oh, okay.
You
I'm
are
not
simply a
occupant.
witness.
Okay, I'm an occupant, and I don't know what exactly you mean by denying it because I didn't file the motion, but I just wanted to say that
It means
we have motion.
Sir, this is Nikesha Wheeler's motion, not yours. You were a witness. The court asked you questions. And
Can
the
you
court
tell me what you mean?
that the motion is denied.
What does that mean, Your Honor?
You have to look denied up, and that a default judgment will enter against you, and that you will have to the default judgment that indicated that you needed to that you were ordered by the court to vacate the premises by August 15th, 2021, or a writ would or a writ may issue still stands. That judgment has not been set aside. The default judgment that was entered by this court on June 28th, 2021 stands. It remains in effect. And
Okay,
so,
thank you.
all right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.